this video, we are going to find the sum of digits of a number. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, 4, the output will be 10. Initialize a variable called sum at 0. Then I use a while loop until the number is greater than 0. In each iteration, I extract the last digit of a number by using the modulus operator. After that, I add this digit to the sum. Then I remove the last digit from the number by dividing it by 10. This process continues until all digits are processed. When the number becomes 0, we will print system.out.println sum of digits is equal to plus sum. Now we execute our code. Here you can see the output. We get the result as sum of digits is equal to 10. Let's say we take another example, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what will it print? It prints as a sum of digits is equal to 26.